guys, so we're about to get ready to go to the store, and I have to go to Home Depot so we can get the supplies for the headboard. Husband went to go pick up the wood. He's going to come back and take us to go to Walmart. I have to pick out the fabric that I want to use for the headboard. My plan is to get burlap fabric. You know what, we have to go to Joann's. I gotta call him and let him know because he thinks we're gonna go to Walmart, but I'm gonna go to Joann's and get the fabric because that way I'll get a maybe like a 40% discount on the fabric. Well, he just got back and I'm gonna take a look at it and see what it looks like. I thought I would be ready by the time he got back. Maybe I'm taking longer than I thought. All right, so let me check out this headboard, girl. He want me to come see it. Or the plywood that he bought. So then we're gonna head out to Joann's to get the fabric, or Hobby Lobby. Alright girl, let me go show you real quick. Alright, so it's the headboard. It's a 48 by 70. Did you get 76? Yeah. 48 by 76. It's not as tall as I wanted because they don't sell it that tall. I want it to be 50 inches by 76. Alright, so we need to pick up a mattress pad for the headboard as well. So we're going to go with this one. This is 1 1/4 inch thick. And then the size is 56 by 77. So that's about the size of the headboard. And it costs $16.94. So we just got back in from the Walmart trip and we went to Hobby Lobby. I'll leave the link to the more detailed video of that haul. That way this video won't be so long with that information. So I'll just leave the link in the description box below. But you know, I'm going to take you with me so you're going to see everything that I'm talking about along the way. Husband went out to get some breakfast. So now he's back. I'm going to eat my breakfast and then we're going to start on the headboard. Alright, about to get at this headboard. So we laid some plastic down to protect our carpet in the bedroom. We're going to need to spray some adhesive, and any mess that we may have along the way, we can wrap it all up in this one plastic, easy cleanup. The headboard project took us about 3 to 4 hours with some breaks in between. So I'm actually going to make a full detailed step-by-step video on how to make this headboard. That way if you're interested in doing a project like this, you can kind of follow these steps and tips. But when that video is completed, I will leave the link in the description box below. Oh girl, I'm tired. I think we're just going to finish tufting the fabric, and then we're going to put the nails in, and then we're going to staple the fabric to the back, pulling it tight. And we've been working on the project for maybe about 3 hours. About 3 hours, and then we just took a break, so we're about to start up again. Say hi. Hi. All right, let's get back to this project, girl. I can't wait till the end. This is to hang the headboard onto the wall. We're going to hang it on that wall there, which earlier in the video we did the wallpaper, so I'll leave that link below if it's not attached to this video. But we're not going to do this project today because we have to, 1, finish this, 2, we're losing daylight, and 3, we don't have buttons. So we haven't made a decision on the buttons yet. So, but again, I'll keep you posted. This is pretty much the end of the project. Right now we're just attaching this hanging frame to the back of the plywood, and then we're going to attach the other half of this frame to the wall. That way it's more of a lock and hook hanging headboard, so it's a floating headboard. Okay, so here's the headboard. This is the metal washer that we're going to use, and all I do, stick it right in the center. So easy and removable if you want to switch it out.
Always stay gracious. Best revenge is your paper.